The nature of the job in the welding section requires high precision. Therefore, the PPE, personal protective equipment, is a bit more advanced to ensure the utmost safety of the operator. Before starting work in the welding section, it is mandatory for you to wear the welding helmet along with other common gear. You should ensure that the hand gloves you are using are heat resistant in order to avoid any kind of fire hazards. It is essential for you to take the training on ergonomics and postures while welding to prevent fatigue and damage to materials during work.